There you go. No, you're good. Just let this drop before you know it'll be finished. What's the crack, people? Welcome back to another video. Today we have the wonderful
Ada Michaels Mason. Full government name.
full government dropped. How have you been feeling? What's been going on?
Oh, I've been feeling achy, darling.
Okay. You've had a lot of travelling.
Yeah.
Lots of planes.
Yeah.
Lift this right leg for me. Then lift this left one. Beautiful. Damn.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah. A little lift of this leg now.
Ooh.
Nice. A little lift of this one.
That was so graceful.
Yeah. Amazing. There we go. There you go. No, you're good. Just let this drop before you know it'll be finished. How was that?
I feel like I'm flying.
You heard it here first. Don't
Don't get Red Bull, come to Corey. He'll give you wings.